According to Swedish media outlet The Local, the remains were discovered and excavated from the Viking Age town of Birka in Sweden by Swedish archaeologist Hjalmar Stolp at the end of the 19th century. Stolp assumed the remains were male because the body was buried with warrior equipment and horses, the fashion in which many powerful military leaders of the Viking Age were buried. It's actually a woman, somewhere over the age of 30 and fairly tall, too, measuring around 5 feet 6 inches tall, Charlotte Hedenstierna Johnson, Uppsala University archaeologist and lead author of the study that confirmed the remains were female, told The Local. A few years ago Anna Kjellström, an osteologist at the Stockholm University, was studying the Viking remains for a different project when she realized the bone structure was very feminine. After an osteological analysis, Kjellström discovered that the Viking remains were actually female. A recent study, published in the American Journal of Physical Anthropology on September 8, confirmed Kjellström's findings with a DNA test. Hedenstierna Johnson described the archaeological site as the world's ultimate warrior Viking grave. The study's authors wrote that although it's unusual to see a Viking woman in such a high-ranking military role, a large reason these facts were overlooked for so long is due to sexism in research methods. It was probably quite unusual for a woman to be a military leader, the researchers continued, but in this case, it probably had more to do with her role in society and the family she was from, and that carrying more importance than her gender. Head over to The Local to read more.